Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're looking at how Git internally stores its files and how, as a byproduct of this, it can save some space at the same time. The scenario we're looking at is what we've got up on the screen here. Over here, you can see we've got actually two different files, but only one blob there, one entity stored within Git. So we're going to look at how that comes about internally within Git. Before we do though, if you find yourself enjoying the video, feel free to click that subscribe below. Change the alert icon to all and you'll get updates for future videos. Alright, let me take this off and we'll get rid of this for the moment and start a new clean version up so we can do this. So if I open up this visual representation on an empty repository, so like so, this should kick off now where we file to, oh, wrong one, file to. So once I initialize it, this should pick it up and we get an empty repository here. Alright, let's start then by putting some text into a file. Let's just put the word file1 into file1.txt, and we'll add that and commit it, and we'll say file1 added. So we should see that come up over here now. Yeah, like that. Alright, so here's our file1 over here, and that's all fine. Now, if I create another file now, we'd expect to get another entity there. So let's do that. Let's do file2 and say file2.txt. We'll add that one and commit it as well. And so looking at this seems understandable. For each file we add, we're getting a different file in the system. I'll just get rid of the trees to make it clearer. So we did our first commit and added file1, and then we did the second commit, added file2, and those two files are stored in the system. Thing to note is that this hash number here is created for each file, and it's created on the contents of the file. So what happens if the contents of the file are identical? Well, let's see. Let's add file1 but into file3.txt. So file3 has got exactly the same contents as file1, so it should have the same hash. So how does Git handle that? So when I do a commit now, so we've added file3, and just wait for that to get added in. Okay. Branch master. Right, so we've got 3 commits, but we've still only got two entities, 2 blobs within Git. And you can see on this one up here, file1 and file3 are both pointing to the same blob within Git. So, and that's because the contents are hashed, and the hash is going to be the same. So it literally just uses the same object. It stores the file name separately within the tree object, but at the blob level, the file level, there's only one file there, and it's just reused. And so that is how you get some space saving in Git, and it's kind of a byproduct of using hashes for representing everything within Git, and so it does save space in certain cases. There you go, little short one there on Git internals and how the blobs are stored. Hope you like that. Give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if not. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.